So here's the funness. Here's the funness. We got this today. This came in just earlier this morning from ESR, and I am a big fan of the ESR gear for sure. Now, this is a Kickstarter Magsafe wallet. Yes, and we've looked at Magsafe wallets. Actually, some from ESR, some from other companies. We like the idea of them, but one of the concerns, one of the issues, one of the things that a lot of people primarily ask is that because it's, you know, on the phone via this magnet, yes, right? Does it come off easy? And you know, this one's got a pretty good strong magnet, as you can tell. Like, it actually allows me to pull this open. But yes, that is always a concern, right? It's always a concern. I lose my wallet all the time, and it's not attached to my phone. Like, I have different kinds of wallets, and you know, depending on what I'm doing. So this one's got a trick. It's kind of a trick up its sleeve. Now, be warned, be aware, this is, I guess, kind of like a pre-production, because it is a Kickstarter campaign right now. And as you can see right here, early bird GEO Wallet, you're looking at, and this is actually, as far as I can tell, this would be a fantastic price, okay? First off, you're looking at Canadian-wise, 43 bucks, it says, about $43, you know? This one here, what is this? Early bird, oh, twin, so you get two of them for $85, right? Now, what makes this so much different? You may be asking. Magsafe wallet, you'll be able to find. Yes, so as you can see, this is the packaging I got it in. Now, I'm sure you guys are gonna get it in much nicer packaging. It came with a wallet, and it came with a charging cable. So, this is the issue that we have seen with pretty much all Magsafe wallets that go on the back of iPhones, right? Is that they can fall off. Yes, yes. This, look at this, introducing the world's first Magsafe wallet with a full Apple certified Find My, basically, feature in it. And you've probably seen like these. This is a different wallet style. You actually have to buy one of the actual Apple dealy things. My brain's not functioning this morning. Anyways, you know what I'm talking about. And these by themselves cost like 30 bucks. So the fact is, you kind of get that with it, right? Not only is it come with that, but as you can see here, fully certified. Awesome. 2 times stronger magnets, which we kind of saw here. The magnet on there is really good. Securely hold 1 to 3 cards, and we've got my other wallet, so we're going to try putting 3 cards in there just to see. Adjustable stand, so there's your stand, all right. Finger loop grip. Now, this is what's kind of cool. This, if you're not a person that does that, then it doesn't matter. But it's got this little, you see this here, this little notchy button on it, and all you have to do is you just kind of pop it. You pop it backwards. Pretty sure, there it goes. So you just kind of pop it, yes, and then this, you can put your finger in, right? So that if you're a person that holds their phone like so, you've got a little hold. Now, I wouldn't be throwing the phone around because it's still put on there with a magnet, but it is going to give you, you know, a lot more confidence that you're not going to drop your phone. And it's leather, so it feels nice on your hands, right? It's got nice on your finger. You can use this, no problem. Do whatever you need to, etc., etc. That's kind of nice. And it does say a 3-month battery life. And that's 3 months on a charge. It's not as if after 3 months you have to get another battery. You just charge it. And that's the other difference with like the Apple one with this. Why can't I think of what it's called? Doesn't matter. You have to buy another, like a watch battery. Not that those are expensive, but you do. So you have to continue to do this. If I was going on a trip and I knew that I needed this, right? All you have to do is take this off. There's the little, you can see it, there's a little magnet thing here. And then you plug this into your USB-C. Now it is USB-C to this, which is kind of different. but ready? Boom, charging. Now the very first time I plugged this in, because I was curious, right? It made a ding 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 sound, which was cool, I guess. Now the question then is, you have this here, right? You have to be able to set it up. I'm guessing, what is this? There's like a button here. Is there like a power button or something? Because again, I didn't get a manual or anything, right? It kind of looks like a powerish button. Yes? Did I push that, or is that just the other side of this? I don't know. I am curious now. We're going to go in here, and we're going to go into the Find My, because I have a bunch of Find My. And I'm guessing it would go under possibly items, because you can see I have, here's the issue, right? Car keys, right? You can see it. Red. It's got a red. My battery's not doing well. My wallet, which is this one, new battery, which is fine. My motorcycle keys, red, because I need to change the battery. And I think you probably get in and around with those. You probably get longer, because I think they say you can get like about a year, which is probably accurate. Let's hit the plus button. I'm curious. Add a MagSafe accessory. Okay. Attach MagSafe accessory. Attach the MagSafe accessory to the back of your phone to get started. Okay. It's happening. Boom. Attached. Do I do anything? Plus. Add. Attach the MagSafe accessory to the back of your phone. I did it. Maybe just power button, because it is a power button. Yes, I'm gonna hold that. Ready? Aha! Did anything happen? It made a sound. Try it again. Add MagSafe accessory. Because I'm hitting the plus, nothing's happening. Does it make a different sound if you hold? That sounds better. Plus, add MagSafe accessory. Now my other curiosity is that it needs to be right up against it, possibly. These are things that we don't know. We don't know, right? Plus, 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 plus. What about adding a AirTag? That's what they're called, AirTags. Pull tab in the AirTag and bring it near the phone to start. Well, that's not doing it either, yes? All right, well, I need to figure this out. Give me 2 secs, hold on. I found it. So, as you can see here, I'm gonna do this again. Under the plus, it's not either. You can see it's add MagSafe accessories, add AirTag, add other. So I went to add other, and it doesn't even have to sit right here, right? Add other, searching, ESR Halo Lock GEO Wallet stand. So it's other, okay? Connect. I'm gonna call it ESR wallet to just kind of differentiate it. Greg's ESR wallet, continue. It's got a picture of a credit card. I think it should be one of these. It's just like, I don't know where my wallet is. I have no idea, right? I don't know where I put it. Continue. Yep. Your item is linked to your Apple ID. Sweet deal. Finishing. Finish. Boom. Sweet, sweet. Play sound. That's pretty good, right? Stop. Okay. That's actually louder, I think, louder than the actual Apple AirTag. So that's fantastic. And then again, you just put that on there. Make sure it's, I'm going to charge this today, right? And then you got this little pin thing. You can just give it a yank. Oh, that's nice. That is super nice. Right now, as far as I can tell, you can get it in black and this brown color, right? And the brown, because it is leather, it will get that nice patina look over time, which I actually like. I don't know what other colors. Maybe that's the only colors. Open it, stand. Yes, you can stand it this way. You can stand it that way. I'm with you. It's all good. That cable's doing stuff. It's getting in the way. right? That's excellent. Comfortable grip. I'm down with you. Go longer, charge faster. The built-in rechargeable battery goes for 3 months on a single charge and lasts for years, so you can keep the wallet longer. Yeah, so basically what they're saying is that the battery needs to charge every about 3 months, but it should have a lifespan of a couple years. 1.5 hours for charging, and I think it's the only one that does it, right? Magnet strength. 700 grams is what the Apple one is, and 1,500 for this one. You know what? I think this is fantastic. It is fantastic. This is probably one of my favorite little wallet accessories. And you know what? Like I said, you get this in here the way you want it. You just kind of pop it into place, or you just give it a pop when you don't want it. Now, see, now that I've done it, it's loosened up a bit. You get a little pop, hear that? And then pop. Oh, I'm pleased. I'm pleased. And then when I want to see it, I go to my Find My, and if I don't have it, you'll see it's in my list here of devices. Yes? Yeah, I think it's in here. Should be in here. I think. No, iPhone. Maybe it's under devices. Items. Items. Greg's ESR wallet. There you go. Greg's ESR wallet. Everything is with me. For the price, I don't think you can beat that. That's awesome. Sets up really easy once you know how to. Again, I didn't have any instructions, so I'm kind of figuring it out as I go. You guys now know how to do it. Use the other, and super cool. All right, guys, I'll leave links to the Kickstarter campaign. You guys should go check it out because it's definitely worth it. All right, my friends, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Later. Oh wait, we didn't see how many cards. It says 3. Hold on. 3 cards. So let's just take out 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. 3 cards of your choosing. Yes, 3 cards of my choosing. They go somewhere in here. Take that out. Right? I'm guessing they just slide in the top there. You guys don't need to see it all. Oh yeah, 3 cards fits in there fine. Right? There's 3 cards. And then you just kind of pop this up when you're ready, and then you can slide them out. That's always the issue I find with these kind of cards, right? You just they have to loosen a bit, but they come out. It's fine, right? You guys don't need to see them, but yeah. And you probably want to put them in this way, right? So they're face out, and then again you kind of just lift, and you can push them up. You push them up just far enough so that you can grab them. Okay, I'm down. That's cool. All right, guys, I'm out. See you next video. Later.